So you guys will be doing a series of chemical tests to monitor the health of your trout aquarium. One of the tests that you'll be doing is nitrate. It comes in these 2 bottles. Nitrate is the final step of our nitrogen cycle that we will be monitoring for in our tank. It follows nitrite, and before that is ammonia. Nitrate is the most stable form in our tank, and our trout can tolerate it at higher levels. So you will have these 2 bottles, and it will say bottle 1, bottle 2, and then the little black water droplet, how many drops to add. First, you will fill up your glass vial with water to the white line. We would prefer that you fill up your glass vial with a pipette, but understand that sometimes you might not have one or they've gone missing. So you can put the vial directly into the water to fill it up, but we like to keep our hands out of the water as much as possible. I've already filled up the vial part way, so I'm just going to finish filling it up. I want the curve of the water, called the meniscus, to be resting right on the top of the white line. So first I will add bottle 1 and 10 drops of it. Once I have put our 10 drops into the water, I need to cap this and gently shake it for 5 seconds. While someone is shaking this for 5 seconds, the other bottle 2 needs to be shaken for 30 seconds vigorously. This is an important step. It sounds silly, but it's really important that we actually shake these things. So I've already shaken this for 30 seconds, and once it's done, I can add 10 drops of bottle 2 into the water. So I take the lid back off and carefully take the lid off and completely turn this upside down so it's resting inside, and I put 10 drops in. Once I have 10 drops, I recap it, put it with the other one. Now this vial needs to be shaken for a minute, and this is another important step. Once you're done shaking this for a minute, we have to wait 5 minutes to be able to record the results. After you've waited 5 minutes, it is now time to record the results to our nitrate test. You will take your glass vial and you'll compare it to the nitrate column. The color, you want it to be less than 40 parts per million. Our trout can tolerate higher nitrate, but if the results are too high, you should tell your teacher, especially if they are very different than the last time you took a test.